Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT with Siri on iPhone. So simply open your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on to General, Software Update. Make sure to update your iOS 18. So I'm already updated my iOS 18.2. So go back, open Apple Intelligent and Siri, and then showing it to ChatGPT. Just click on. To use ChatGPT, at first need to set up. So click on to set up and next, and install this app. So click on from install here. Okay, now successfully install it. So if you don't have to ChatGPT account, so click on to sign in. Okay, I'm signing my ChatGPT. Okay, and click on to open. Continue. Okay, overall set up my ChatGPT and using ChatGPT from here. So that's it. That's how you can do it.